guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I'm participating in a DIY challenge hosted by the DIY residents, and you have to do a farmhouse or a boho DIY, and the rules are simple. You have to be subscribed to her channel and also list the playlist in your video. So if you want to see what I pick up, stick around. I'll be right back. And before we get started in this, I want to say welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I do all kind of crazy things around the house. I do decorating, crafting, gardening, sometimes cooking, and hauls. So if you like that kind of content, I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below. Is it over here or over there? But hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell twice so you don't miss out on future videos. So I'm going to come back in a second and show you what I decided to do. I'm doing a farmhouse deal. Okay guys, what I have here, I have this pretty casserole dish that's made by the Pioneer Woman. I got it at Walmart on clearance. I think I spent $12. There's two. I'm just going to use this one. And I want to share with you this product. It's called Crystalline Clear Museum Wax. It's for anchoring collectibles and art. So I'm going to use this instead of glue because I don't want to glue anything onto my casserole dish. And I also have these little fairy lights. You can't really see them. I'm going to turn them on. You can kind of see they're like teal color. I'm going to try to incorporate them into this. And you can pick these lights up from QVC. They're called Bethlehem lights. And they're really, really great. They have a timer and everything. And then I'm going to use some flowers that I have over there that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I also have two of these little clear candlestick holders that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you what this museum wax, it's clear. We're running out. We've been using it a lot for things. It really helps to hold things in place. And so what I'm going to do is just take a couple of these candle holders and just put a little bit of museum wax. It don't take much. I've had this little container here, and I have some other came in a kit, and I'll link it down below if you're interested. And see, you can reuse it. I pulled this off of something else. It really works. And it helps keep things stable. Like if you have something in a curio or whatever, and you don't want the little pieces to slip and fall, this is perfect. But you hear my dog Teddy growling. I don't know what he's growling at. But before I put that on the bottom, because I'm going to make this stand up, I'm going to put the flowers in. Just push my camera over this way. And like I said, all these flowers came from the Dollar Tree. And I don't want to cut them because I want to use them for something else. So I'm just going to lay them into the tray, just random, because I have more peach than I do burgundy, and I didn't want to put any oasis or styrofoam in there. And I'll straighten out the flowers after we get them in here. And I know this is not a craft, but this is still a DIY. I may come back with another craft. But before I straighten out the flowers all the way, I want to put in these fairy lights. And then straighten out the flowers. But I want to show you, check out my video, my review of these lights. I'll link in the description box. So you got 4-hour timer, steady on. You got glisten, firefly, twinkle, waves, and phasing. And it says indoor and out, and it comes in a nice case here. And 3 batteries is all you need. So I'm gonna turn the lights on so I can see what I'm doing here. If I can get them untangled from my chair. Get tangled up on my chair here. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to stick the lights down in there. I'm just going to randomly weave them around the flowers. I really love these lights. I use them for other things. I used them in a Easter basket that I did, and I'll link that video so you can see how they look. I have bought, I don't remember what other colors they came in, but I do have clear ones and these teal ones, and they work so nice. And they all get a little tangled up, but it's really easy to untangle these. So that's what I'm doing. Just putting the lights on. We'll see how it looks before I straighten out the flowers. Okay. I think that might work good. Then once I get the lights on, I can adjust. I thought the lights were on. Hold on, let me get my remote control. Okay, the lights come with a remote control, and you can decide how bright or how dim you want it. You can take it so it has no timer. So I'm just gonna bend these flowers upwards in this casserole dish. Because like I said, I didn't want to cut them because I'm going to use them for something else. And I hope you consider checking out the playlist. And thanks again to the DIY resident. And if you're new to my channel, I appreciate it if you consider subscribing. Because I do crazy things around here. It's all about around the house. And how many people you know when they're talking about something, they always say around the house. Okay, let's see, we're getting it. We're getting there. Let's see. Get some lights over here. And the wire for the lights is fairly thin, so you don't hardly see it. But you can, there we go. I think I like how that looks. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move the casserole dish out the way. And we're going to put the 2 candlesticks here, not too far apart. And I'm going to set it on top. Okay, so that kind of raises it up so I can see a little better. I'm going to bend the flowers up a little bit, move some lights around so you can see the colors on this Pioneer Woman casserole dish. So there you go. Okay, so I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like on my table, because I'm not putting it on this table that's here in the kitchen. I know this is not a craft, but it's something I wanted to do, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, there you go. This is my farmhouse DIY using a casserole dish from Pioneer Woman, some Dollar Tree flowers, and some fairy lights, Bethlehem lights from QVC. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to come back and watch when I do my video on the tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.